Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So at the beginning of May this year, I let you know that Google Chrome is silently downloading a 4 gigabyte AR model. And as mentioned in the video, which I'll leave linked if you want more information, Chrome is downloading Gemini Nano's weights.bin file to your local storage. And I showed you how you could actually stop it from doing that. Check the video out for more info. Now, quick recap for the purpose of this video. If I head into my File Explorer on Windows 11 and I show hidden items, if it hasn't done so already, and I head into my C drive, or the drive that my OS is installed on, and I click on Users, and I head to my user profile, and I head to App Data, which is a hidden folder, Local, head to Google, enter Chrome, User Data, and we scroll down. Here you get a folder called, Opt Guard on Device Model. Click on that, double click on that, and here you'll see weights.bin. And it's 4.1 gigabytes in size approximately on my device. So that's what I'm talking about. And this caused quite a lot of debate in certain circles due to privacy issues and so on and so forth. Now, just to let you know that I have a bit of an update regarding that weights.bin and AR models being downloaded onto your system from Chrome, where Google now has updated its documentation to reflect that you actually need quite a bit of free space to download the files required for local AR features, like the weights.bin file. And this is to an updated Google Chrome Help Center entry about the browser's on-device generative AR models that have been updated to reflect that you'll need approximately 20 gigs free space to install the models that power local AR features. And you'll also need an unmetered data connection, plus what Google is saying, sufficient device performance. So if we head over to the post, and we scroll down to this section, download requirements. For Chrome to download on-device AR models, either in the background or when you first use a feature that requires them, your device must meet these requirements. Unmetered network connection, minimum free disk space, 20 gigabytes, sufficient device performance. Now, Google doesn't make it exactly clear what sufficient performance means in this context. No other info is given, as you can see. But the documentation does make it clear that Chrome will only attempt to download the models required for local AR features if your machine obviously has the requirements to do so, as in these three requirements. Now, 20 gigabytes might not be much for devices with a lot of built-in storage. But if your laptop's SSD, as an example, only holds 128 or 256 gigabytes, that's quite a significant chunk of the storage space you have to work with, just for Chrome's AR models. And Google notes that the models won't download at all unless you've got about 20 gigabytes free. So that's quite a bit of storage just for Chrome's AR models. And Google has also given a bit of a warning that manually uninstalling the files, trying to manually uninstall them, related to AR features won't disable the features or prevent future downloads related to on-device AR. As far as I can remember, I did touch on that in that previous video. So to turn the features off altogether, you can head to your Chrome's settings. And there you'll see a toggle for on-device AR. I have posted on this, check the previous video out. I show you how you can turn the toggle off to get rid of the AR models. And turning that toggle off will uninstall local models and prevent them from being reinstalled. So interesting stuff. Let me know your thoughts about this down below. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.